it's Leda Lum, and today we're gonna make a DIY mascara. 3 ingredients: castor oil, hydrogenated castor oil, which is called Lipidthix at Lotion Crafters, and we have activated charcoal. It's great! 2 coats, no coats. What do you think? More coats. See, it's definitely buildable. So guys, just 3 ingredients. I was playing different formulas to try and make very simple, easy to do. You might have activated charcoal and castor oil at home. There's a lot you can do with beeswax. A lot of DIYs use beeswax and camellia wax and Carnauba wax. The best consistency for me came from the Lipidthix, which is hydrogenated castor oil. So there's a formula in the description. It's basically the same amount of these two. I put 1/4 teaspoon of both of these and 4 milliliters of the castor oil. Formula in the description, you guys. And I got this kit just from Amazon. It was very easy to fill because it's very liquid when you first pour it. Look at it. Very dark. This little kit is so cool because it has like little... which I didn't even need to use because it's pretty liquid when you first pour it, but it's got a stopper, a separate spoolie, you know, and a little pourer, and you could little like squeeze in pump thing. So this kit comes with a few of these. You might just want to buy these straight up from Amazon without this whole kit. I'm sure I'll link to something like that in the description as well. These are lip glosses. I didn't realize that. I thought it was just mascaras. Anyways. Lip glosses, little containers, got a little DIY eyeliner. You could make this an eyeliner, I'm sure, pretty easily. Anyways, the point is, I really like Lipidthix. Let's make it, you guys. And here's our little mascara container with the kit. It also comes with a funnel and a little sponger thingy. I didn't actually need any of these. These are the stoppers for the container. And we're gonna start our spinner and our heating pad, which at home, you could really just use a bowl of hot water and set your container within it. Castor oil, which I poured into my little 50 milliliter. I'm going to do 8 milliliters, so that's a little over 1.5 teaspoons. And we have our 4th teaspoon of Lipidthix from Lotion Crafters, which is hydrogenated castor oil. Pour that in and let it stir till it thickens up and all the little clumps are dissolved. Then we have 1/4 teaspoon of our activated charcoal. Excellent. Level off a 1/4 teaspoon and voila. Just mix it in. Then I'm going to fish out my little spinner and then just pour it in. Now it was liquid enough to just pour it in. I didn't even need the funnel. But towards the end it kind of thickened up, so I had to scrape it out with a little squeegee and then kind of slide it in because it gets thick pretty quick. Scrape it off. Voila! Put your little stopper in. Just slides right in, and then of course I have like a bunch of mascara that I'm wiping off with the spoolie, and that's it. See? Nice dark mascara. It's buildable as well. I like very dark black. A little bit. It's not waterproof or anything. It's not smudge proof, that's for sure. Great about this formula is the castor oil is going to be nourishing my lashes, and that's the main ingredient. And you don't need a preservative. There's no water ingredients in there. I like it. Very simple, a good way to maintain your lashes. Maybe you have a mascara that you really love, but it's starting to mess with your lashes, or this could be your, like, not going to an event lashes. What do you think? You think so? What do you think, Danger? You want to come over here? up here. Oh, she comes up. Come here, Danger. My cat's name's Danger. So I really dig it. A new ingredient you guys can check out, Lipidthix Hydrogenated, and you can modulate the amount. If you add more, it's going to be thicker. You can add less to make it less thick. It's pretty neat. You don't even have to do the exact measurements that I use. I just like that formula. You could play with it a lot. If you have any of your favorite mascara DIYs, please in the comments let us know, and I'm sure if you peruse our comments you'll see lots of different very exciting formulation augmentations. So easy, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this type of thing, anti-aging, skincare, and supplements discussions, DIYs, click subscribe, and if you hit the bell button, you'll be notified when I do lives on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and upload videos either on Thursday or Friday, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy! Bye, guys! Bye! Spoolie. Love that word. And it's cool because it's also just castor oil. It's hydrogenated castor oil. If it was getting down to it. Giselle, I can hear that, please. And activated charcoal. How much is 4 milliliters in terms of teaspoons? Yeah. I'm not exactly sure. There. But I wanted to try. I found the most... I like it. Little stoppers, little scrapey things. It seems like a complete kit, at any rate. No mirror. Huh? Tricky. 2 coats, darlings. 1 coat. No coat. Or